This section is about the operators used within SAS. SAS supports handful of various operators for working with different values, which include some standard mathematical operators. As you can see, these are the list of operators which are used with SAS. Let's see a few examples. So here, let's say if I want to apply different width to this class. Right now it looks like this. I want to change the width of this text using the operators. So I will go to the styles file. I will give width here saying 20 pixels multiplied by 10 pixels. So we are giving the width using the operator here. Let's check the browser. So you can see the width is changed. Now let's say I want to give width like this. You can apply width like this too. There is nothing wrong with it. Let's check the browser. Let's say I want to give width like this. I want 50 pixels of width divided by 40 pixels of that width, which I am further multiplying with 100% of length. If you look at the CSS file, you can see it has calculated already the width. Now if you look at browser, you can see the width has changed. So you can use the operators like this, or you can use them in mixins as well. You can also give them to any element to resize by just giving them width. So go ahead and try it out. I'll see you in the next section.